Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is ThisisTinuola. Welcome. If you're new here, don't forget to join the channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. I love you guys. Thank you so much. So for today's video, I will be showing you what I do for my nighttime skincare routine. It is quite basic, beginner friendly, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. So the first thing I do for my nighttime skincare routine is to put away my hair. If I'm putting on a wig, I could remove the wig and sleep with my natural hair, which is what I do most of the time. But if I don't want to go through that, I could just basically wrap up my hair. Okay, so the second thing I do for my nighttime skincare routine is to clean my face. So if I have makeup on, I always use my makeup remover, and this is it. It's oil-free makeup remover from Mary Kay. It's like almost finished. That's how much I've used it. So I just take a cotton and I pour it right there. I shake it first before pouring it. I have to shake it, and then I go with it and I clean my face. It's really good for eye makeup, guys. If you have like mascara on or you have like your eyeshadow on, it's really good. Like one swipe and it takes almost everything out, so it's really good, guys. And of course my eyebrow and all my entire face, I just go and get all that cleaning. It takes out a lot, trust me. And of course my lips, because sometimes you have lipstick on. Take everything out. That's a lot. If you don't have the oil-free makeup remover, or some nights I don't even use it, I just use a wipe. So if you have wipes at home, guys, make use of it. Make use of this. I find the oil-free makeup remover work better, and if you have oily skin, you can still use it. It's oil-free, but it does a good job. Like, it makes your skin feel super clean. But for those that have just wipes, you can definitely use wipes. So before you wash your face, you want to remove your makeup. So that is why it's important for you to use a makeup remover or a wet wipe to clean up your face. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to wash my face. Usually at night I like to use my face scrub to wash my face. Hey, so this is what I use at night to scrub my face, and this is it, guys. Oopsie. So I just do that. I just put it on my face, and here's the thing, guys. You can either use your hands to scrub it all over your face and wash. If you want to, that's fine. But when I use makeup, I love to clean up everything, so I try to go with my face brush. So I'll be using my face brush because the brush is dry, right? So I put some water and I just go like that on the face. So I'm gonna add a little bit more scrub. I love it. It feels so refreshing when you do your nighttime skincare routine. To be honest, guys, that's the best time you can take care of your skin in the entire day, at night. Yes, guys, I scrub the lips with it. Like, scrub everything, man. Just scrub it out. Just get a facial brush. It really does the work because it opens your pores as you use it to scrub your face. It opens your pores and it goes in to clean out the dirt. It's more effective than your fingers. If you don't have a facial brush, feel free to use your hands. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna wash my face. So guys, the next step is to apply a facial mask, and I currently use the Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. So I basically use a charcoal mask on my face, and I really love this charcoal mask. Like, it does a good job and it has a peppermint smell. Also, I'll be applying it on my face for 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and I do not use this face mask every night. No way. I just do this like twice a week. This face mask is very good in removing impurities from your face, and if you have an oily face and you're beginning to develop pimples and blackheads and all of that, you know, it's going to remove it from your face. It's really good. It removes excess oil from your pores. But even if you have a dry skin like mine, it's also very good because it generally removes impurities from your pores. So I definitely recommend it. You use the face mask after you wash your face. So like so, you can use your hand if that's comfortable to apply it, or you can use a brush like this, and I usually use this for my foundation. It's like a foundation brush, but you can use it and then wash it afterwards. Okay, this makes it easier. So what you want to do is to spread the mask around your face. Now you want to wait 10 minutes, okay? 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to wait 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, what you can do is to take care of your lips. Okay, so I'll be using this lip scrub on my lip, and it's sugar lip scrub. It's so sweet. It's so good. Like, it's just so natural. That's it. Yeah, that's enough. Just a little bit. Alright guys, so now it's 10 minutes and I'm going to wash off the face mask. So when I use my charcoal mask, I love to use my anti-aging facial mask to bed. But days when I don't use my charcoal mask, which is like 3 times in a week, I would use just my regular moisturizer to bed, or my regular night cream. This is like the best. It's so good. Like, I use this mask on my face and I wake up in the morning and I feel like a princess. Take this amount out like so and apply on my face. Not too much, but obviously you need enough. I'll put it under my eye. Yeah, of course. It's anti-aging mask. It helps with all the wrinkle and stress on your face. It's really good. But I apply it everywhere. Just spread it around. It has this sort of gel feeling on the face, but it's so good. Like, it's so good. Apply to my ear. And yeah, when I use my anti-aging mask on my face, that's it. Like, I don't put any other thing on my face to bed. It's just that, and it does a great job. Like, guys, if you sleep with this and wake up in the morning, you're gonna feel so fresh, I tell you. And the last but not the least, of course, a lip balm. Look at this camera, it's not showing. Alright guys, that is the entire nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave it down in the comment box below. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's keep up. Follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. If you have any video requests, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and do take care. Bye.